We'd had the economic bounce back because of the stimulus. Now everything's back to where kind of above where it had been prior to the pandemic. It was like, well, from what I understand, it's going down because it's gone up. Well, what does that mean? It could go a lot higher before it goes down. Yes, of course, we'll have a correction at some stage. We could even have a substantial bear market. I've got no idea right here, right now, and I think anybody who does, well, where'd you get that from? Mm-hmm. So, like I say, it's just because something's gone up doesn't mean it's going to come back down again tomorrow.
Definitely.
So like I say, being short, well, why? It's the same idea as like so buying something because it's gone down. That's the problem about a bear market. You buy something because you think it's dropped too far.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might be right for a short-term bounce, but then when it makes new lows, what do?
It's so interesting.
Try and find the trend and just ride the trend as far as you can.
Do you think it's something to do with human nature? Do you think it's our nature
completely.
to try and be perfect or try and
completely
predict our projections onto the market?
My big boss when I joined Goldman was a guy called Eric Scheinberg.